steak? Wanna fucking blowjob? No. No. I'll give you a fucking blowjob. Today, I'm going to talk about Steak and Blowjob Day. No, I think it is fucking bullshit. You want me to go out, buy you a steak, cook the steak, and then give you a fucking blowjob. It's no different to any other day. You want a blowjob every other fucking day of the week anyway. There's nothing for us fucking women. You think there should be a fucking pasty and fucking vagina licking day? No. There's none of that shit. It's fucking stupid. Steak and Blowjob Day is fucking bullshit. You know what else is fucking bullshit? Valentine's Day. As if that's not enough, you want to add fucking Steak and Blowjob Day in there. Fucking stupid. There's nothing else to say. So anyway, when you come up with a pasty and vagina licking day, you can come back and tell me how bullshit this video is. Can you see that?